Hi guys, welcome back to My Man Can Cook. Now today in our first series showcasing men who can cook, we have Daniel Johnson, also known on Instagram as @HomeWithDJ. He'll be sharing with us a delicious recipe for French toast that he was given when he was in Barbados on his honeymoon.
Hello, my name is Daniel. I live in England just outside of London with my wife. Today I'll be making French toast. The reason why I like making a French toast is for two reasons. The first one, it reminds us of our honeymoon in Barbados. And the second one, it's very quick and easy to make. So this recipe was given to me by the lovely cook in our hotel in Barbados. Every single morning at breakfast, we couldn't keep away from the French toast. We just couldn't keep away from it. And so one day I asked her what was the recipe because it's just very different. I'd never tasted anything like it before. And she kindly gave me the recipe, so that's the recipe I shall be using today and the only recipe I use. It's really quick and easy to make. That's the second reason why I like it. It doesn't take long at all. And also, I'm the earlier riser between my wife and I. So weekends I tend to make breakfast. And although the French toast is really nice, not to have too frequently, but you can also have it with either sausages and eggs, or you can just have it with a range of fruits. So today I'll be cooking it with some strawberries and blueberries. Well, not cooking it with, I'll be accompanying the French toast with strawberries and blueberries. So let's get cooking. So first of all, just to tell you what I'm using, the utensils, got a spatula, whisk, teaspoon, knife, a brush, a small sieve, some tongs and a tablespoon. I've got the frying pan, have my mixing bowl. For this I'm going to be using 1 egg, some sugar, cinnamon, vanilla essence, some milk and some icing sugar. And I've got my bread, which is a brioche sliced loaf. So to start, we're going to crack our egg. This ingredients, depending on how many people you're going to be cooking for, you can modify it. There's no particular order needed in terms of the cracking the egg, cinnamon, etc. I just do it in any order. So once we crack the egg, we're going to add half a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add literally just a dash of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Less than a quarter of cinnamon and 100 ml of milk. And then we'll just whisk it. Now that it's all whisked, we're going to put the fire on. I like to use butter instead of oil, just to give it a buttery taste, and it's not so that French toast isn't too soggy. I'm not too much of a high heat at first. So I'm just going to put some butter. Just going to brush the butter around. It's important to mention, because my bread isn't so thick, I'm not going to let it soak in the mixture for too long. However, if you're using thicker bread, you might need to soak it in a bit longer. So just so you can see, this is the bread I'm using. The thickness is not too thick, it's quite small. So. So I'm gonna now put my first slice of bread into the mixture. I just turned it in. I like to use this pan because it's quite big. You can put you can fit maybe 4 slices of this bread. if I place it right. It's important to mention that as you cook more, the heat's turned up, so these ones will probably cook a lot quicker. As I said, I'm serving mine with some strawberries and blueberries. I already rinsed them and cut them up. I like to, before I start, just so that the French toast can be served hot. So now I'll get to the plating. So now we're gonna just dust it with some icing sugar, and then we're ready to enjoy and eat. And there you have it, French toast with strawberries and blueberries. I hope you do enjoy this recipe.